If your pig is eating but not growing, this is the reason. Like, this is the hidden reason, and I will tell you today. If you notice that your pig is eating and not growing well, these are the three things I want you to take note or watch out of and watch out. The first thing is genetics, like the species of the pig. The second thing is the feed formulation you're actually giving that goat presently. And the third thing is the housing. Those three things matters when it comes to growing your pig in a bigger way. And if you can do those three things properly, I I give you my word. I give you my word. Within 2 weeks, you should be getting results. Look at this picture up here. You can see unhealthy pig and underweight pig. I'm actually showing this picture because if you want to sell your pig, it is not how big it is, it's how weight. The weight the pig has is not how big it is, it's weight. So if your pig is underweight, trust me, you will lose. There's no two ways about it, you will lose. So I'm just showing you this to for you for proper understanding. And aside that, also check your formulation. Whenever you're formulating your feed, check if the protein percent is higher, and if it's not higher, you have to increase it a little bit, or better still, change the entire formulation. And when it comes to housing, do well to provide ventilation for them. Pig, they are big, like they grow very big, and they need a lot of ventilation. So and they also need a lot of space around them. So whenever you are constructing your structure, do well to create a lot of what space for them, so that they can grow properly. Imagine someone stock, let's say 10 people in one room that is not big enough. They won't grow. As an human being that we are, we will not grow well. But if we have, let's say, 4 people or 2 people in a room, we will grow well in that room. That is it. That is the same way in animals too. In fact, animals have more advantage. Like, they have more. What word can I use for it? More scenario, more advantage. Let me use advantage than we human. We human being, we can still stay up to 7 in one room and still live better due to we are coming out and living. But those animals are, they are staying there, that they are doing all their life activities in that place. So with that, they won't go well. That's all for this video. And if you do like this video, you can like it. And if you have any question, or if you have any experience that you have encountered as a farmer rearing animals, you can actually drop it in the comment section. And aside that, we sell machineries. We sell virtual machineries like pellet machine. We sell grinders too, so you can actually get your machine from us. And your seed like fingerlings, you can actually get your fingerlings from us too. And your poultry beds and so many other things that will be displayed on your screen. So do well to patronize us too, and you can also support the channel too if you want to. All right, so peace and love to everyone that have been with me so for many years now. I really appreciate. And sleep and good I have none, but I'll continue to do my best to make sure that I support you all too.